Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Instagram story music not working. And here's how it is done. Fix number 1. Change your account type. Instagram music may not work for business or professional accounts due to licensing restrictions. Open Instagram and go to your profile by tapping profile icon in the bottom right. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner and go to settings and privacy. Tap on for professionals and then business tools and controls. You can either switch to a personal account by selecting switch account type, then switch to personal account. Or if you prefer to keep your professional account, tap on edit profile, then category, and choose entrepreneur. This category typically allows you to use Instagram music. Once done, go back to your Instagram story and search for music again. You should now be able to find songs like Drake and add them to your stories. Fix number 2. Update the Instagram app. Close Instagram and open your App Store for iPhone or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Instagram and see if there's an update available. If it says update, go ahead and update it. If it says open, you already have the latest version. Once the update is done, try adding music to your stories again. Fix number 3. Check Instagram status. Sometimes Instagram might be experiencing outages, which could affect certain features like the music search. Open a web browser and search for Instagram Down Detector. Go to the Down Detector website where you can see if Instagram has been experiencing outages. If there's a spike in reports, it is likely that Instagram is down, and that could be the reason music isn't working for you. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix Instagram story music not working. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.